Hi children, welcome to Narayana live classes. Today revision assignment, chapter 10, perimeter and area, worksheet and train bind. Choose the correct option. First one, the shape given below is made of square tile of side 1 unit. What is the area of shape? So here given square tile of side 1 unit. So we have find the area. Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here 9 square centimeter and here that half and half. These 2 is 10, these 2 is 11. Area is equal 11 square units. In the given option, first one 10 square units, second one 11 square unit. So our answer is 11 square unit. So correct second option is correct answer. Next, second one, the perimeter of a rectangle. It is a formula for that. The perimeter of a rectangle dash into length plus breadth. So is first option 2. The perimeter of a rectangle is equal 2 into length plus breadth. So first option 1 is correct answer. Next, third one, the area of a square of side is 6 centimeter. So area of square formula here, side into side, S into S is equal 6 centimeter into 6 centimeter is equal 36 centimeter square or square centimeter. So here 36 in given options, one is 30 square centimeter, second one 32 square centimeter, third one 36 square centimeter. So our answer is 36 centimeter square or 36 square centimeter. So third option is correct. Next, fourth one, the figure inside the grid are made of 1 meter square. Find the perimeter of the figure. So here it is a shape of rectangle 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is 1 meter square, made up 1 meter square. Find the perimeter. So here that we have that it is a shape of rectangle. So 4 meter here and here 3 meter. So P is equal 2 into L plus B is equal to 4 meters plus 3 meters is equal to 7 meters is equal to 7s 14 meters. So in the given options, first one 14 centimeters, second one 14 meters. So answer is here 14 meters. So second option is correct one. Fifth one, the perimeter of an equilateral triangle of a side 5 centimeter is equilateral triangle. So 3 sides are equal. The sum of all the sides is called the perimeter. So 3 sides 5 centimeters plus 5 centimeters plus 5 centimeters is equal 15 centimeters. Otherwise 3 into side is equal 3 into 5 centimeters is equal 15 centimeter. There in this given option, first one 10 centimeters, second one 12 centimeter, third one 15 meters, fourth one 15 centimeter. So here the unit is centimeters only. That's why fourth one 15 centimeter is correct answer. So fourth answer option is correct answer. Next, sixth one. Here given the statement A and statement B. First, statement A, the length of a boundary of a plane figure is called its perimeter. Yes, it is correct. Next statement B. The perimeter of triangle whose sides are 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 5 centimeter is 12 centimeters. So first we have that what perimeter is equal sum of all sides. So we add the 3 sides here. 3 plus 4 plus 5 is equal to 7. 7 plus 3. 7 plus 5 is equal to here that 12 centimeter. 12 centimeter. So first one correct, second one correct. Both A and B are true. So first answer is first option is answer. Yes, next the area of a rectangle of length 5 centimeter and breadth 3 centimeter. So we will find the area of rectangle. What is the area of rectangle formula here? Area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So here A is equal length and breadth is equal here that 5 centimeter and 3 centimeter is equal 15 centimeter square. So here that 15 centimeter square or 15 square centimeter. In the given option, first one 15 centimeter, second one 15 square centimeter. So we want that 15 square centimeter. So second option is correct. Next, eighth one, the perimeter of a rectangle whose length and breadth are 12 centimeters and 8 centimeters respectively is dash. So we have find it what? Perimeter. First what we have find here? Perimeter. So perimeter formula for the rectangle 2 into L plus B. 2 into L plus B. 2 into L plus B is equal to here L 12 plus 8 is equal to and 20 is equal to 20 is 40. What the units is given? Centimeter. So we'll write that 40 centimeter. In given option, first one 40 meters, second one 40 square meters, third one 40 centimeter. So third one is correct answer. So third option is correct. Next, ninth one. The figure made up 2 or more plane figures is called dash figure. The figures made up of 2 or more plane figures is dash figure. Say that what the figure name means 2 or more figures, plane figures we have taken and made up, another figure is made. That it is a first option, composite or compound. Here the first option is correct. Next, 10th one. The statement A and statement B is given here also. So area of a rectangle, length plus breadth. It is correct? Say children, it is correct. Length plus breadth. No, it is wrong. Length into breadth. Answer is what here? Area of rectangle, length into breadth. But here given length plus breadth. So statement A is false. Next, statement B. Square unit is the unit which is used to measure area. Yes, square units is the unit which measure the area. Yes, we using always the area square units. So it is correct. It is first wrong. So what? Here see the options. Both A and B are true. No. Here both A and B are false. No. Here third one, A is true and B is false. No. B is true and A is false. Yes, fourth option is correct. So fourth option is answer. Thank you. Have a nice day.